Hello children, today we are going to learn about number series, and in this number series today we will focus on Fibonacci numbers and factorial numbers. Fibonacci numbers. A Fibonacci sequence is the series of numbers. The sequence is something like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Did you guys notice something? No? Let's see about this. So in Fibonacci sequence, the first and second numbers are fixed. They are always 0 and 1. So as you can see here, this number is 0, this number is 1. But then how to find the next number? For finding the other number, we have to add the last two numbers. Okay, so let's say if we are trying to find out the third number, we will add this number and this number. So 0 plus 1 is 1. And if I need to find out next one, I have to add again last two digits. So this number and this number, 1 plus 1 is 2. So I can show you something like this. Sequence will, so first element is fixed, second element is again fixed, third one is sum of this and this, fourth one is sum of this and this, fifth one is sum of fourth number and third number, and so on. So in simple term, the Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where the number is found by adding the previous two numbers. And in this case, the first two numbers are always fixed, which are 0 and 1. How to find the nth term of Fibonacci sequence? Let's see if there is any formula. There is no direct formula to find the nth term of a Fibonacci sequence. Oh my god. Then how are we going to find the nth number? We can only find the next term of Fibonacci sequence. We'll have to actually find all the terms until 10. Next term of Fibonacci is nothing but the n minus 1th term plus n minus 2th term. Find the next term of the given Fibonacci sequence. So the next term is, let's say, n. What does this definition says? In order to find this number, we need to find the one previous number, which is 34, and one again previous number, which is 21, and add them. So 21 plus 34, that will be 55. And as you can see, the answer is 55. So the next digit is going to be 55. And if we need to find the next one, we will add 55 plus 34. That will take us to 89, and so on. So you have understood what's Fibonacci series and why this Fibonacci sequence is so important. Because the Fibonacci sequence can be found in nature. So like the number of petals in a flower, they follow the Fibonacci sequence. There are certain bits and pieces on your face can be written as a Fibonacci sequence. Even the galaxy, certain patterns they form, or they can be written as a Fibonacci sequence. And that is the reason why this Fibonacci sequence is so important and we all are learning. Okay, so that's it about the Fibonacci sequence. Now let's learn the factorial number. The factorial number is a product of all positive integers less than or equal to a given positive integer and denoted by that integer. Okay, and a exclamation mark. So like factorial 7 can be written as 7 and then exclamation mark. Let's find factorial 7. what is the value of factorial 7. So as the definition says, you will start from 1 and you will multiply all the number up till 7. So 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7. So this number is can be written as 7 factorial, and this number will be 5040. Now factorial 0 is also factorial 0 is defined as equal to 1, and factorial 1 is also defined as equal to 1. So this is the facts you need to remember. Why factorials are so important? The factorials are a very useful method for a variety of mathematical operations, such as when you are dealing with permutation combination or probability. You will use the factorial number, and hence we are studying today factorial numbers. Okay. Thank you very much for your patience.